Today I'm going to show you how to create this text zoom using Canva. Select the YouTube video. Go to the elements. Go to the shapes. Select the shape and change the color into black. Resize it to fit the design. Now go to the text and write any introduction you want in your video. Resize it as well and change the font into Anton. Now save the image as a PNG and remove the background of the image. Either you can use the BG remover in Canva or use the external background remover app. Now upload the image and the video as well which you want to use in your project. It might take some time, so be patient. Now select the video and resize it to fit the screen. Now decrease the size of the video up to 10 seconds. Now select the image which we have removed the background of and adjust its size so it will fit perfectly. Duplicate the page and decrease the length of the first portion up to 2.5 seconds. Now select the image in front of the video and increase its size so we can fit the video one of its letters. Now go to the edit and select the transition of match and move and increase the duration to the maximum. And here we have the introduction video.